Gonna go ahead and cross the street here. These all make the same exact beeping sound. I just wanted to take a look at these. Look how small they are. This one has no light. Let's go take a look at the last set, which there's apparently a second set of them on the opposite side of where I need to be. And right next to it is one of the very first intersections I actually got a video of in the state of Phoenix. Except it really isn't. This is the very first one I filmed that was on Cochise Canyon Drive, but we'll get to that in a minute. Gotta cross the street one more time. So yeah. That's it.